Today, I am going to share with you how to fix the problem to your Android phone is not connecting to your Wi-Fi. I will give you some tips or basic troubleshooting for your Android for you to be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. If you are new to this channel and you like topics related to technology, repairing tutorials and more, it's a big appreciation for me. You subscribe to this channel and please hit the bell icon for you to be updated to my latest and more uploads. Let's get into it.
Let's go first with the common mistake happen, you might know, but not seen, sometimes happen that you accidentally press the flight mode at the top, where your notifications show, explore the settings or look for this icon. It means the flight mode is activated or on. If this setting is on, you can't connect to any of your connectivities, and even to your Wi-Fi. You can use this if you don't want to be disturbed or while charging. It can also helps you to recharge your phone, much faster than normal. If not, try this basic troubleshooting. Restart your Wi-Fi router and your phone. Most of the time or sometimes, if you don't restart your phone, for about a month or months, it will cause a random error to your phone, especially to does have clone or just copy. In addition, I suggest to clear your cache data for at least once a month, mostly the bunch of large application or software. And how about if you're trying to connect to your Wi-Fi, even you have entered the right password, it's saying that, obtaining IP address and will not connect to your Wi-Fi, so there is a problem with its static ID. In order to fix the problem, you must change, or input a new IP address to its static ID setting. Now watch carefully, and I will show you quickly how to do this part. Now, go to your Wi-Fi. Here you don't have to change your password or retype, just long press the Wi-Fi name until you see the Modify, or Modify settings. Then click on Show Advanced Settings, or Advance. And tap on IP address, click Static. The last is change or put the new and unique IP address. You can leave this video some comment for any concern. It's always my pleasure to help you. Another possible solution is to reset your network settings, especially if you did changes on your settings that you don't know if that's right or you've forgotten what you did. The best solution is to reset your network settings. To do this, of course, you have to go to your phone settings. From here, go to About Phones or System, where you infos about your phone is. I am using Huawei Nova 2i, so might different format from your phone if you are using different unit. Now, scroll down or look for Reset. You will see 3 options, but click on Network Setting Reset, and proceed to reset, to return your network settings to its original settings. You can also try to reset all, but make sure you backed up your important files before doing this method. If the problems still remain, so the problem is not on your settings or network or software, I suggest to go to your authorized service center or repairman to fix your hardware problem of your phone. It's the best thing to do than doing it yourself. That's all for this topic, and I hope it will brings you a big help for this issue. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share if you like this video, and subscribing is a lot appreciation for me. Thank you and have a great days.